Today I'm unboxing and installing a SRAM dub crankset and bottom bracket. If you're looking for a full installation video, this isn't it, but let me know in the comments if you want one.
This is just a warranty, this is not instructions at all. Alright, found it useful. Let's see what the cranks look like.
I went with the Descendant Carbon, which I thought was a nice middle ground between the GX and XO1.
Here we go. A nice little thing on there. The Descendant logo.
As far as I could tell, Descendant and Stylo were the same cranks. I just like the Descendant logo a little bit more.
Pedal washers, don't want to lose those. I assume these extra washers on here are just for a 68mm shell. Switch the spacing out.
You only need one of these spacers. Normally it's the thick one. The thin one is in case you're sandwiching a chain guide behind the bottom bracket.
One way or the other. Find out. Let's go put it on. Line, torque wrench to line. Somehow, I don't think that's gonna help. Especially because I don't have a 50 Newton meter torque wrench. Let's see how well this fits. Like butter. Plenty of space there. Well, that's pretty obvious which way it goes on. And this one, let's go like that. Gonna go with the 180-degree opposition today. Seems to be the most popular. Alright, got plenty of clearance. This thing does not turn super smoothly. On the other side here, got ye old lock nut in here.
You tighten this lock ring by hand and then cinch it with that small bolt.
Can use to take up the slack. I'll have to read up on that.
Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment if you'd like to see more, and remember, sliding boxes into frame is for professionals only.